Hello everyone, you're watching By Your Eyes. And today, we're launching a brand new series, Questions to a Real Estate Expert. Sitting next to me is my colleague Olga. She's been working in real estate here in Spain for many years. And today she's kindly agreed to share her knowledge and experience to help make the whole process clearer and easier for you. Let's start with one of the most frequently asked questions we get. How does the process of buying property in Spain actually work? What steps do you need to go through before you finally receive the keys?
Hello, Oleg. Hi, everyone. I'm really glad to be here with you today. So actually, the whole buying process of property in Spain can be divided into several case stages. So let's go step by step through them.
Let's say someone has decided to buy a property in Spain. Where does the whole process actually start? Can they jump straight into viewings and choosing a property?
So first step in buying property in Spain is to choose and reserve the property. You can search a home alone or with an agent. If you will do it alone, it will be more complicated, but if you will decide to work with an agent, it will be faster, easier, and the agents in Spain, of course, speak Spanish. Once we find for you the right property, I always recommend to my client to hire a lawyer. If everything is all right, you have to sign the reservation contract and pay the deposit. Usually it's till 10% from all the price.
All right. Let's say the property has been chosen and reserved. What are the next steps to move forward with the purchase?
So, first of all, every foreigners have to apply for NIE number. NIE number is like one ID number. You need NIE for almost every legal thing in Spain. Something like open bank account, buy a property, sell a property, pay taxes, buy a car. How to apply for NIE number? You can apply it in your home country, in the embassy, Spanish embassy, or you can do it here by using the help of your lawyer or agent with whom you're working. It's a very simple, where we will make a schedule in police and you will get it in one day.
So without an NIE, we won't be able to sign the contract and complete the transaction. What other documents or tools will we need at this stage?
So next step is a Spanish bank account. What do you need to open Spanish bank account? Your NIE, your valid passport or valid ID card, and proof of income, of course. We can do it also here in Spain with help of your lawyer or your real estate agent, or you can do it online.
So, we've chosen and reserved the property, the bank account is open, and all the documents are in order. What happens next?
And last and the most important step is the notary. So we set the date, we are going with you and with your lawyer in the notary. You have to sign the main contract. In Spain we call it escritura de compraventa. You have to pay all the amount of the property and of course you get the keys. And after the transaction, the property is registered in the property registry, Registro de Propiedades in Spain.
And one last but very important question. What additional costs should a buyer be prepared for when purchasing, say, an apartment in Torrevieja?
When you buy a property in Spain, there are several taxes and costs that you have to pay. For example, if you buy a new build from a developer, you have to pay VAT, value added tax. Usually it's 10% from the whole price of the property. If you buy a property On the resale market, you will pay the property transfer tax. Usually it's from 8 to 10%, depending on the region where the property is located in. And the last one, you will have to pay for the notary, property registration, and legal service. Usually it's from 1.5 till 3%.
Honestly, I thought the process would be more complicated, but it turned out to be quite simple and clear. Olga, thank you so much. I hope next time will be just as interesting, and we'll learn even more.
Actually, if you need to buy a property in Spain without any stress, you should have a really good professional near you, and he will handle everything. He will do for you all the job. You will just have to find your dream home, and we will do for you everything.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the By Your Eyes channel. There's plenty more interesting and useful content coming soon. See you next time.